Assalamu alaikum viewer. In this story I will tell you about the ink smear or smudge. Here you can see that ink is smudging or smearing or erasable. If your problem is like this, then you must have to watch this video till the end, because in this tutorial I will tell you why this problem occurred and how you can fix this problem. This is a very common problem in the printer. So doesn't matter which company or from which type of printer, but the problem is same in all types of printer. This is a HP less than 402 printer, and most of the time this problem is occurred, and it says that your page stuck inside the inside the printer, and sometimes it come out from the printer. So in this scenario the page has been jammed in this printer, and the error you will see that jam in cartridge area, open front door and clear jam. When this error occurs, it means that your page is not entered into the heater unit. And if I tell you about this problem is occurred by just one thing, and this is heater unit problem. You just have to remove the toner, and you have to pull out the page, unplug the power. So let's check the heater unit. The page is not entered into the heater unit. See it. Here you can see that the page is not entered into the printer. Like I already told you, the page is not entered into the heater unit, and pressure ruler is damaged. That's why this page is not entered into the heater unit. So the page has been printed but not a solid print, because it not entered into the heater unit. Heater unit basically works your make the ink solid unraisable. When it not entered, or when your it means that when your heater unit not work properly, then this problem is occurred. Either this enter into the heater unit or not, because sometimes it not enter into the heater unit like in this in my scenario, but it went but in some scenarios it came out from the heater unit but not print properly, and then it means that but not similar like this. When it comes from the heater unit, and only the pressure ruler or sleeve not working properly, then it is not raisable completely, but little bit it is raisable. So when your heater is not working properly, then maybe this the result will be same. So it totally depends on the every scenario, but the problem is same for all the printers heater unit. Now let's talk about the heater unit. This is the heater unit. It available in all the printers and photocopy machines. So this is a heater unit. In you need to replace this heater unit, and this is the most common problem, and only you and mostly we only change the pressure ruler, and in mostly pressure ruler, and maybe you need to change the heater sleeve, but you very rare in very rare cases you need to replace the heater unit completely. So here you can see that this is a heater unit, and most this is a here you can see that heater unit under the sleeve, and this is a pressure ruler, and in my scenario the pressure ruler has been damaged. I have made in detail videos, multiple video on this channel, that's why I am skipping the video in this tutorial. So you just need to visit the channel for more info.